Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. This is this week's analysis of all the genomic stocks that we have in our watch list. We're going to do a quick technical analysis, and if there are some opportunities, I will try to point them out. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. We are looking at Nasdaq, and this is the live chart right now, and we are just about bouncing up from the diagonal line of support of a bull channel that we had drawn before, which has got multiple touch points out here, so it's a reliable bull channel. There is also support coming in from the 20-day exponential moving average, but the 9-day exponential moving average has become a resistance for us. MACD is very bearish, and momentum is also trying to drop below average. If it drops below average, I think it curtains down for Nasdaq for at least for today, and the market is looking weak. That's what I would say. VIX is looking tame. It's at 14, so not too bad. Next, let's look at genomics, which is what we came here for. PSCB is relatively flat. It has just got a gain of 1 cent during this session. It started off much higher, tried to break through the 9-day exponential, but was pushed back down. MACD is improving. It needs more improvement. It has to cross over the signal line to the bullish side. Momentum is a bit flat and below average. It needs to be above average and picking up in order for PSCB to make further gains. I'm optimistic. Let us see what happens as the market progresses. IMTX is down a little bit. It's almost neutral, so there is not much action on IMTX at this point of time. If you look at Bluebird Bio has been trying to break through the 20-day exponential, and it has been supported by the 9-day exponential for the last 3 days. And it's been squeezed between them, and the last 2 days have seen indecision and a very narrow range of trading. I don't think it's going to be able to break through until it has got support from the momentum. The MACD is looking good, but the momentum has to pick up. It's flat and it has to be above average. That has not happened. Those things are needed to make Bluebird viable. Now let's look at Ginkgo Bioworks, which is up 1.26% this morning. Started up higher, started up by breaking through the 100-day exponential moving average, 50-day exponential moving average, which is this blue line, but it was rapidly pushed back down. And MACD is looking good. Momentum is also looking decent. It's above average, but we are seeing a flat momentum out here. The momentum has to pick up for further gains. Next, we are looking at Prime, which is down 1.20%, and we have got Allogene, which is up 1.19% today. There's a huge gap up out here. And the 20-day exponential is playing a very, very good role of support, and the 50-day exponential is playing the role of a resistance. For the last 2 days, the MACD is ready to cross over the signal line. This is a very good sign. But one of the reasons why we are having this struggle out here is that after initially rising, the momentum is on average and it is flat. We need the momentum to pick up for further gains. Then Iowa is up 2.25%, and then we have mRNA, which is up 1.47%. Beam is up 2%. Intelia is up 1.49%. It is still in that bear channel, and it has got support from the 9-day exponential. MACD is looking good. Momentum needs a lot of work to be done. Editas is up 0.68%. Altimmune is up 2.85%, and it's still above the horizontal line of support, and it's still above all the exponential moving averages, with the 9-day exponential playing support, but the momentum is rather flat. It needs to pick up. Caribou Biosciences is up 2.72%, and CRISPR Therapeutics is up 1.89%. It is trying to stay above the support of 50.15. Right now it's at 50.24. MACD has already repaired itself, and it's just about become bullish. Momentum is also picking up, so it seems to be a good omen for CRISPR Therapeutics. It just needs to break above the 150-day exponential moving average, which is at 51.91, and that is this white line. So that's what we are looking for, and it's right now just at 50.24, which also happens to be the 100-day exponential moving average, which is this yellow line that you see out here. Next, we look at ARCG, which is up 1.49%, a beautiful gap up, and MACD is wonderful, and momentum is also picking up and above average. It's all looking good for ARCG. Grail is up 0.97%, and it is at 17.69, looking good out here. And we got Illumina, which is up 0.69%, and in the bigger context, it is still moving towards our cup and handle targets. Verve is looking good at a gain of 2.82%. Yesterday, almost all genomic stocks got a huge bump because of Trump's FDA pick. And that's a positive overall. But again, I'll come back to the same argument that I have before. Okay, these are all picks, but they have still got to be confirmed by Congress. And then they have to take their roles, and then they have to be able to do what they are known for and not get overruled by Trump. So we have all those variables that we have to go through at this point of time. I have a similar video coming up shortly. It's going to contrast Janet Yellen's short-term bill issuing technique in order to keep the interest payments for the government down while raising funds for all the various spending that Biden wanted to do, and how Besant is looking for more long-term treasury issuing. I'm going to contrast those two policies, pros and cons, and game out what is going to happen to the yields under Besant, and as a result of which what will happen to the stock market, everything being constant, and then with tariffs, and then without tariffs. So those are the videos to come up next. But I think genomics is looking very decent today, and we'll continue to keep our focus on genomics, and I'll be back with the next video on genomics probably later on during the week, at least 2 videos on technical analysis of genomics. With that, my friends, I'd like to end this video here. Thanks and have a great day, and bye for now.